Hello everyone, welcome to Sarika Man. In today's tutorial we're gonna learn a sleeve design. And if you know, if you watched my previous video in which we learned a maxi or nighty dress, so this is the fabric from that project. This is the leftover fabric, and as you can see, the width of fabric is not enough for a sleeve. So in this tutorial also you will learn if fabric is not enough, how we can make a joint. And I'm going to make a full length sleeve till here. So let's see. First we will join it like this way, this one piece with this piece, okay, and all the way. See, this is the length is enough, only the width is less. So we will stitch here, make a joint, and don't worry, it will not visible on the front. We will turn this joint in the back side of our sleeve. So let's stitch this way, and then I will show you how we will cut our dress, the sleeve. So as you can see, I just stitched this joint, and now I will fold my fabric in a little slant way so that this joint will come on back side of my sleeve, and on the front side of sleeve there will be no joint visible. Now I am placing this pattern. I will give link in the description if you don't know how to make this pattern of sleeve. And now I just leave ½ inch this side, and on the fitting lines 1 inch, and just cut this sleeve first. And after while I will stitch, I will show you that how you can make a design in front of your sleeve, so don't skip the video. So here I just mark for the stitching lines, and now take one sleeve, and you can see the joint is on the back side only. Now place your sleeve in a way that you will get the opposite, I mean the right and left side of your sleeve, and cut that extra ½ inch just to make the shape only on the front part. So now for the hemline, just fold it like this way, and after folding this, mark here. Before marking, just take this thin elastic. This is a thread like elastic, and just fill this in your bobbin by hand only. And after filling this, I will show you how we will get stitching here. So see, that's how I just fill my bobbin. And now it's time to mark on my sleeves. Here you can mark on the 3 inches or 4 inches different, it depends what you want the style. And now mark 2 lines with a difference of 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. And after that I will stitch these lines with the bobbin elastic. I mean, in my bobbin there is an elastic. Now stitch the side fitting lines. And guys, if you are first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, so every time I will upload a video you will get notification. For that don't forget to press the bell icon and all notification, so every video's notification you will receive. So here I'm doing with serger the finishing the edges. So just now turn inside out and of your sleeve, and your dress is on the wrong side. Now place it like this way and match the seam with the seam, the side seam with the side seam, and attach a pin here. And as you remember that I marked the center of my sleeves, so center will attach with the shoulder line of my dress, and pin up it here also.
and same way adjust all the fabric of sleeve and the dress properly, and then stitch it in a round. Guys, if you are absolute beginner, I already made a very detailed tutorial about how you can make your own sleeve pattern, how to cut the sleeve and how to stitch the sleeve. You can check in my playlist for the beginners. So now remove this part of your machine if you have. This is called free arm, and now on the 1/2 inch difference place your fabric here and stitch in the round. Better if you stitch double stitching so that it will be more secure. Guys, this design is ready. As you can see, if you want to learn more design, you can check in my playlist the puff or circle sleeves and many more designs. Thank you for watching.